Hello everybody and welcome back. Root Beer here with question number 4 on our grade 8 Gauss paper. What have we got in store? Well, let me show you. The largest number in the list, 3/10, 9/20, 12/25, 27/50, and 49/100 is... Okay, what are we going to do? Well, remember, calculators are allowed, so you could, for example, take each of these, 27, and divide it by 50 and read out the decimal, 0.54. And whichever number has the biggest number reading left to right, that's going to be the biggest number. There's another way we can do this, if we don't want to just write them all out with our calculator, which we could, if we wanted to. What I can do is, I noticed that 10, 20, 25, 50, and 100, these are all factors of 100. Now, it's really nice and easy to compare fractions if they have a common denominator. Was it 12 over 25? I feel like it was 12 over 25. Yeah, 12 over 25. 27 over 50, and 49 over 100. And what we can do is we can change each of the other ones to have a common denominator of 100. How do you get from 10 to 100? You multiply by 10, so we'll get a 30 on top. How do you go from 20 to 100? You multiply by 5, so 5 times 9, 45 on top. 25 to 100, you multiply by 4, so we get 48 on top. And from 50 to 100, you multiply by 2, so we get 54 on top. And now with all of these numbers having a common denominator of 100, the biggest one is the one who has the biggest top, which is going to be 54 over 100, or 27 over 50. So D should be our answer, assuming they wrote them in the order that they were written there. Yes. So our answer is going to be 4. And that's 2 ways you can go about doing it. There are fractions in the question, so let's get a common denominator. Or if you got a calculator handy, work out the decimals, write them all out. 3 over 10 is 0.3. 9 over 20 should be 0.45, and so on. You just write them out and see which one's the largest. But there we go. Question number 4, we've got it done. Now we can move forward and focus on question number 5, but we'll look at that in the next video. Until then, take care.